We, Sandhya Decor, invite you to Navratri 2021. We are based at Baswangudi, Bengaluru, and have been in this culture of representing dolls and its forms for over 33 years now. We specialize in handmade dolls, which is made by me from scratch to indicate the thematic representations of mythological series and historic events highlighting our culture and country. Today, we would like to take you through a few of our newest creations and hope you all enjoy it. We start with Girija Kalyana or Shiva's wedding to Parvati. Other deities like Vishnu, Lakshmi, Brahma, Saraswati, Nandi and Bhutaganas are represented here. From here, we have tried to represent few of the sequences from Ramayana. As a revenge for Shurpanaka's insult, Ravana decides to abduct the beautiful Sita. He orders Maricha to distract Rama and Lakshmana as a golden deer. Ravana disguises himself as a sannyasi and convinces Sita to cross the line of protection, Lakshmana Rekhe, henceforth Sita Aparna. Mudrike Pradana. Rama gives his ring to Hanuman to give it to Sita. Hanuman leaps across oceans to Lanka to find Sita, who was sitting under Ashoka tree and crying. Revealing himself, he convinces her that he is on Rama's side and gives her the ring. This brings her hope. Ravana's court. One of the famous incidents in Ramayana is Hanuman creating a seat using his tail and sitting in Ravana's court when he is denied a seat by Ravana. Hanuman purposely makes the seat in such a way that it is slightly above Ravana's head. Hanuman makes his seating higher to show the strength of Sri Ram and also out of respect for Sri Ram. Krishna Leela. Here we are trying to put together Krishna in different occasions. Kalyana Mantapa. Here we are representing different rituals as part of a Hindu wedding. All the dolls, accessories and sequences are made by us to depict the rituals in detail. Navavidha Bhakti. Navavidha Bhakti comprises the 9 ways to express devotion or develop devotion for God. There are 9 types. Shravanam, listening to the names and stories about God. Kirtanam, chanting or singing about God. Smaranam, remembering God throughout the day. Padasevanam, serving God willingly. Archanam, worshipping God. Vandanam, praising God selflessly and with total submission. Dasyam, serving God. Sakhyam, developing a friendship with God. Atmanivedanam, surrendering oneself to God. Female warriors. As a tribute to women warriors, we have created depictions of a few of them. Onike Obava, Nayakaralu Nagamma, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rani Durgavati, Bibi Daler Kaur, Rani Tarabai, Kittur Rani Chennamma. Female saints. With this, we have also depicted female saints of India. Meerabhai, Akka Mahadevi, Sakkubai, Andal, Avvaiyar and Sharada Devi. Ardhanarishwara means half woman lord. It is believed that it is a combination of Lord Shiva and his consort goddess Parvati. Ardhanarishwara represents a constructive and generative power. Samudra Mantana. The Devas were once cursed by the sage Durvasa that they would lose all their strength. The Asuras then win them in the battle. The Devas go to Lord Vishnu for help, who advises them that only Amrita, the nectar which resides at the bottom of Ksheerasagara, can make them strong and give them immortality. The ocean would need to be churned in order for the nectar to surface, and this task could not be done by Devas alone. They approached the Asuras for their help, in turn for a share in Amrita. For churning of ocean, the Devas sought help of Mandara, mountain top serving as the churning rod. Vasuki, the king of snakes, was approached to serve as the rope. The Devas and Asuras churned the mountain for thousands of years, but due to the force of mountain, it begins to sink. Lord Vishnu then took the form of a huge turtle, Kurma, and like an island supported the mountain on his back. A terrible poison comes out from the ocean. Lord Shiva swallowed the poison and his throat turned blue ever since. A number of valuables emerged from the ocean during Samudra Manthana. Chandra, the moon; Parijata, planted now in Indra's heaven; Airavata, four-tusked elephant, Indra's mount; Kamadhenu, the wish-giving cow; Madhira, Varuni, the goddess of wine; Kalpavriksha, the wish-fulfilling tree; the Apsaras, celestial dancers, Ramba, Menaka and Punjistala; Uchcheshrava, the celestial horse; goddess Lakshmi, Vishnu's wife; Panchajanya, Vishnu's conch; Kaustubha, most valuable jewel owned by Vishnu; Sharangha, Vishnu's bow; Dhanavantri, the Vaidya of Devas; Halahala, poison swallowed by Shiva; Jeshta Devi, the goddess of misfortune; Umbrella, taken by Varuna; Kundala, given to Aditi by her son Indira; Nidra Devi, the sloth; and finally Amrita, distributed to Devas stealthily by Vishnu as Mohini.